actually been 1 month since I bought this 2022 MT-07, and now I understand why so many people love this bike. That's a beautiful wheelie, my friend! So let's hop on this bike and talk about what it's actually been like owning and riding MT-07 for the past month. Let's hear the engine first. Before this bike, I was riding my Honda Rebel 500, and I think Honda Rebel is one of the best beginner motorcycles out there. But eventually I wanted something that felt more aggressive, more alive, something with more torque and personality. That's what led me to MT-07. I can never get enough of this sound. Full Akrapovic exhaust, baby. I had watched videos about this bike for years, especially because of the cross-plane CP2 engine sound. And after owning this bike for 1 month, I can say the hype is real. MT-07 is a torque monster. This bike pulls hard, especially in first, second, third, fourth gears. You don't even need crazy speed to feel excited. Every acceleration feels super fun. The torque on this bike comes in immediately. The bike feels lightweight, flickable, and super easy to move around in traffic. Now we have to talk about the Akrapovic exhaust on this bike. This full carbon system completely changes the personality of the bike. The stock MT-07 already sounds good, but with this exhaust, the CP2 engine sounds incredible. It has this bottom end grunt that never gets old. Every start sounds aggressive. Every downshift sounds so good. And even casual riding feels more exciting because of the sound. One thing I really enjoy about MT-07 is how usable it's around the town. Even though it has good power, the bike still feels compact and manageable. The upright sitting position also makes it comfortable for normal street riding. Man, this bike is fun. The weight of this bike is 406 pounds, but since I have aftermarket exhaust, mirrors, and fender delete, it weighs around 390 pounds. It comes with ABS brakes. It does have softer suspension, and that's what you want for the city riding, to absorb all those potholes. This 2022 model does not have any rider aids or modes, straight up old school motorcycle. This is my hooligan bike to mess around on. You definitely need to have some skills to handle this bike. It can buck you off the bike if not ready. I'm 6 foot tall and comfortable on this bike. It's easy to maneuver, then bigger bikes throw this bike around like nothing. That's the thing about this bike, it's so light that when I was test riding the bike the first time at the dealership, I sat on it and it felt like it was nothing under me. It felt so light as a bicycle. It does have a powerful engine. It's a CP2 parallel twin. 689cc, 74 horsepower and 50 foot-pound of torque. It's got cable clutch, cable throttle. I do enjoy the seat height at 31.7 inches. It's definitely higher than my Honda Rebel, and I feel very comfortable on this bike going for a long distance. Now we're about to enter the highway, and I'm gonna show you what it's capable of. That's where you really notice this is a naked bike. You definitely feel the wind, especially once you start getting above normal street speeds. But honestly, that's part of what makes the bike feel raw and exciting. MT-07 has plenty of power on the highway. Passing cars feels effortless, and the engine always feels like it has more to give. One thing that surprised me is how playful the bike feels. The MT-07 has a lot of personality. It's one of those bikes that makes even short rides feel fun. Another thing that surprised me is how much attention the bike gets. People constantly ask about the exhaust or the bike itself, especially because of the sound. It definitely has presence. After 1 month of ownership, I absolutely understand why MT-07 is so popular. It's fast enough to feel excited, comfortable enough for everyday riding, lightweight, reliable, and honestly one of the best sounding parallel twins out there. Every time I ride it, it puts a smile on my face. So that's been my first month owning 2022 MT-07. If you ride MT-07 too, let me know your favorite thing about the bike in the comments below. If you're thinking about getting MT-07, hopefully this video helped give you a real idea of what it's like. If you like this video, smash that like, subscribe, and hit that bell to receive notifications about my new videos. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.